Okay, everybody, welcome to Walker Bee Ranch. It's getting ready to rain. So you saw the flurry on the live earlier of the feeder. There are some bees in there, but it is pretty much empty right now. So what we're going to talk about real quick is the solar wax melter. So solar wax melter and a bunch of noise from cars. Solar wax melter has been reloaded with some fresh old comb and stuff to be melted down. Probably be a couple days, but this is what I pulled out. I did weigh it in the house. Looks like it's about just under 4 pounds, 3 pounds 13 ounces. So licensed solar wax melter does a great job. You can see there's a little bit of honey in there, but I'm good with it. We'll melt this down and use it for coating our frames or maybe some other thing in the future. But I'm gonna get inside because it's thundering and lightning and it's probably gonna rain. Hey, Chimkin. There's our lone chicken left. But anyway, thanks for watching Walker Bee Ranch, and we'll see you guys in the future.